The shocking story of two ministers watching porn in the Karnataka State Assembly. That's also our top story developing at this hour. Let's just go across to Maya Sharma for more on that. But let's just update you on what actually happened. In a huge embarrassment for the ruling BJP in the state, two ministers were caught on camera by local TV channels watching porn on a mobile phone inside the assembly. Seen as the Karnataka Cooperation Minister Lakshman Sawadi watching a pornographic clip on his phone and sharing that clip with the Women and Child Development Minister C.C. Patil, who was sitting next to him. This when the assembly was discussing the Shri Ram Sene. The opposition has demanded that both ministers be sacked, calling it the most shameful incident in the history of the state. For more, let's go across to Maya Sharma, who joins me now from Bangalore. Maya, we've seen already outrage over that caught on local TV channels in the state. What's actually happening right now with both the ministers' protests outside one of their houses already?
That's right, Sonia. An utterly bizarre episode today in the Karnataka Assembly with these two ministers caught allegedly watching porn. Of course, there are some reports going the rounds that, in fact, what they were watching was a clip of a rape in Saudi Arabia. That is actually the message they're trying to send out, that it was not a porn clip, but there are reports so far that there were two separate clips that were being watched. One indeed on a rape in Saudi Arabia, but another what certainly appears to be a porn clip. Yes, the minister's house at Racecourse Road was actually believed to be attacked by the Kannada Rakshana Vedike activists. They have since been arrested, taken into custody, the people who attacked that house. The speaker, I spoke to Speaker Boppaya a short while ago. He said he did not want to react at the moment.
Let me just, in fact, go across, Maya, we're getting online now the first BJP reaction to that, and I'm joined by Mr. K.S. Ishwarappa, the state BJP chief in Karnataka. Mr. Ishwarappa, a huge embarrassment for the BJP there. What would you say about the conduct of these two ministers?
Actually, today in the local TV, I saw the pictures. So, I informed the national leaders also regarding this one. After discussion with the Lakshman Sawadi and others, I will discuss with the national leaders and we will take further we have to do. That is all.
So you do confirm, sir, that they were watching porn?
I don't know exactly because only in TV I saw the pictures. What are the things exactly I don't know. That is why I will discuss with the minister and also with the national leaders, and afterwards we will take the decision.
You haven't managed to speak to the ministers yet?
So far I am not able to discuss.
Is it, do you find it, sir, if it is proved true, as I said, the video footage we have shows clearly that the clip was pornographic.
Actually, not
if it is proved true, do you think the ministers should be sacked?
Please hear me first. Hello?
Right. Yes, Mr. Ishwarappa, I was asking you...
Please hear me first. I saw the picture, that's all. So the same thing I have already informed of national leaders. So I will call the concerned minister. I will discuss with them. Afterwards, I will give you the exact reaction.
Right, Mr. Ishwarappa, thank you so much for joining us tonight. So clearly, with the camera catching that live as the State Assembly was on, Mr. Ishwarappa saying the national leaders will decide. It's hard for him to actually deny it because we've actually morphed that footage, but it is very clear that it is a pornographic clip.